Symmetrical discharge is a crucial concept in maritime operations, particularly for cargo officers, deck cadets, and anyone involved in the shipping industry. It refers to the method of unloading cargo from a vessel in a balanced manner, ensuring that weight is evenly distributed throughout the ship. This practice is essential for maintaining the vessel's stability and safety during the unloading process. When we talk about symmetrical discharge, we're focusing on how to prevent any potential hazards that could arise from uneven weight distribution. Imagine a ship listing to one side due to an unbalanced load. This not only poses a risk to the crew and cargo, but can also lead to significant structural damage to the vessel itself. Therefore, understanding the principles of symmetrical discharge is vital for anyone working on deck. For cargo officers, implementing symmetrical discharge means carefully planning the unloading sequence. It's about knowing the weight and type of cargo being unloaded and coordinating with the crew to ensure that each hold is emptied in a way that maintains the ship's equilibrium. This requires a keen understanding of the ship's stability criteria and the ability to read the vessel's trim and list accurately. Deck cadets, as future leaders in the maritime industry, must grasp these concepts early in their training. They should familiarize themselves with the cargo manifests and understand how different types of cargo behave when being unloaded. For instance, heavy containers should be discharged in a manner that prevents the ship from tilting, while lighter cargo can be handled differently. This knowledge not only enhances safety, but also improves operational efficiency. Best practices for achieving symmetrical discharge include using proper equipment and techniques. For example, utilizing cranes and forklifts effectively can help distribute the weight evenly as cargo is unloaded. Additionally, regular communication among the crew is essential. Everyone must be on the same page regarding the unloading plan to avoid any missteps that could lead to instability. Moreover, it's important to conduct regular training sessions and drills focused on symmetrical discharge. This ensures that all crew members are well versed in the procedures and can react swiftly to any unexpected situations. A well-prepared crew is a key component in maintaining safety during cargo operations. In conclusion, mastering symmetrical discharge is not just a technical requirement, it's a fundamental aspect of maritime safety and efficiency. For cargo officers, deck cadets, and maritime learners, understanding and implementing these practices can significantly impact the overall success of cargo operations. Engaging with this knowledge not only prepares you for your roles, but also contributes to a safer and more efficient maritime industry.